Put on headphones. You're about to experience Nepal like never before, in full 360 degrees 4K. From temples in the clouds to the roof of the world. This is Nepal. We start in Kathmandu, at 4,600 feet, City of Gods. This is Pashupatinath Temple, 300 years old, built with no nails, no cement. Hindus believe Lord Shiva lives here. Look around. You can feel 1,000 years of prayer. Now we fly to Pokhara, called the adventure capital. See that mountain? That's Pashupatinath, the fishtail. And people come here for one thing, to fly. Paragliding over the Himalayas. And now, the moment you waited for. Everest Base Camp, 17,600 feet. The air is thin, but the view, infinite. The Sherpas call it Chomolungma, Mother of the Universe. They carry 100 kilograms on their backs, like it's nothing. Finally, Bhaktapur, a city frozen in time. No cars, just brick, wood, and history. This Durbar Square survived 3 earthquakes. Look at the details. Every carving tells a story. That was Nepal, in 360 degrees. Which country should I take you to next? Comment below, and watch these 5 shorts for the best moments. Subscribe to World Traveler ID for more.